If you have random vegetables and tired with meat recipes, we have something special for you. First, we're starting with 1 medium cauliflower. Cut off the stems and breaking it into florets. Cauliflower gets these nice brown edges in the air fryer that taste way better than when you steam it. Try to keep the pieces about the same size so they cook evenly. Toss them into a large bowl. This is where we'll mix everything. Now grab 1 bell pepper. We're using red today because we love the sweetness it adds, but any color works perfectly. Trim off the top and remove the seeds. Slice it into strips, then cut those into bite-sized pieces. Bell peppers add such a nice pop of color and a subtle sweetness when they roast. Toss them right into the bowl with the cauliflower. We're building something really special here. Next, take 1 medium zucchini. Trim both ends off and cut it in half lengthwise. Here's a little tip learned from my grandmother. See those seeds in the center? We're going to cut them off. Zucchini holds a lot of water, and those seeds make it even more watery when it cooks. By removing them, we get perfectly tender pieces that aren't soggy at all. Now, cut zucchini into pieces about the same size as your other vegetables. If you're watching from somewhere warm right now, let us know in the comments. We always love seeing where you're all cooking from. Add them to the bowl where the other vegetables are waiting to get together. To add a bit sweetness, let's take 1 medium sweet potato. Peel the skin off gently, then trim off ends and cut it in half lengthwise, and in the end, dice it into cubes. Try to match the size of your other vegetables so everything finishes cooking at the same time. Be aware that sweet potato takes a little longer to cook, but at this size it works perfectly with the rest. Add it to our growing bowl of vegetables. Next, grab 1 carrot, peel and trim off the ends. Dice them into similar-sized cubes. Carrots are wonderful because they get this caramelized exterior in the air fryer while staying tender inside. Toss them into the mixing bowl and look at all these gorgeous colors coming together. Next, we need 1 medium red onion. Cut it in half and dice it into smaller pieces. If you don't have red onion, yellow or white onion works just fine. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, a quick like really helps us keep sharing these videos with you. Time to make the marinade. In a separate bowl, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Drizzle in 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar and finish by adding 4 tablespoons of olive oil. This helps everything caramelize beautifully. In the end, add salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good whisk until everything comes together. This marinade is so simple, but it transforms these vegetables completely. pour the marinade over everything. Feel free to use spoons or do it just by hands. Keep tossing until you see every piece is coated. This is what creates those golden caramelized edges we're looking for. Line your air fryer basket with parchment paper, as it makes cleanup way easier. Pour in all the vegetables and spread them out. Don't worry if it looks crowded. They will shrink as they cook. Put the basket back in and set it to 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. While that's cooking, we're making a quick sauce for our base. In a bowl, add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, about 250 grams. Take 1 clove of garlic and press it right into the yogurt. Fresh garlic makes a difference here. Squeeze in juice from half of a spinning lemon. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, then add a handful of chopped parsley. Finish it with salt and pepper. Mix it all together until it's smooth. This sauce is tangy and it goes really well with the warm vegetables. After 10 minutes, open the air fryer and stir everything around. This helps it all cook evenly and brown on different sides. Close it back up and let them finish cooking. Just look at these vegetables. That's why the air fryer wins every time, because steamed vegetables just don't compare. By now, everything is ready, so let's get this plated. First, we will spoon some of the yogurt sauce onto the plate and spread it out. This acts as a base. Next, add your roasted vegetables on top. Then, sprinkle some seeds over everything. We use mix of seeds, but use whatever you have. Throw on some pomegranate seeds. These add little bursts of sweetness. And finally, tear up a few basil leaves and put them on top. That fresh herb flavor ties everything together and makes it look restaurant quality. And that's it. This works as a main dish, or you can serve it as a side. Anything we missed? Would you add something different to this recipe? Let us know in the comments. We're happy to hear your ideas. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe to see more like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.